you want me looking? I say? Send him?
Yeah.
He's saying his camera. He's saying his camera.
Just give it a second. Rolling. Lauren, tell us, what are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand,
Three things I look for when I become a part of any brand. One, it needs to be me. I can't support anything that I wouldn't want to wear. So, so Shopper Stop's brand life is me. I think I'm full of life and energy. I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, and I think the brand is that way itself.
Okay, how you define life?
How do I define life? God, life is everything. Like life, basically in life, I need laughter. I need joyous activity. I need to dance and play and have fun all the time. So when I wake up in the morning, what I wear needs to depict my mood. So Life's brand being so sparkly and youthful colors, it's just perfect for summer. It's like my summer wardrobe now.
Okay, Lauren, the buzz around ABCD2 is very positive. The film is around the corner to release. Are you nervous, excited? What's there? What's going on?
Well, I have 2 movies coming out. Welcome to Karachi coming out in a week, which is my first role outside of the dance zone. So that one is really special to me, and I am sort nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. ABCD2, I mean, it's now a huge franchise, and I'm just as excited for that one.
Okay, हमने देखा रैंप वॉक में Lauren, you're dancing as well, so it seems that dance is all in your body, and you can't live without dance. How true is that?
Even at the backstage, we saw you dancing.
I can't live without dance. I dance everywhere. Dance to me is my life, So even if someone tries to tell me this, it's still I don't want to, which is good. I think in India, that's why I feel so connected to India, because everybody dances in this country. I can't go to one auntie and one uncle and say dance, and they won't dance. So I feel like it was my destiny to live here in India.
What's so special about Welcome to Karachi?
Welcome to Karachi. What's so special to me is that Vashi Bhagnani took a chance on me. It's my first film outside of the dance space. I play an intelligence officer. I've got a gun, full seriousness. Now, if you see me, I'm never serious in life. I'm always dancing everywhere. So he took a chance and said, I want to see you do something different. And just the other day, I actually directed and choreographed a new song, which is releasing tomorrow, all about friendship, super fun, musty, crazy. And for me, that is something so special because I have the full Indian culture in the song. So it'll be my way of showing everyone how much of the Indian culture I've learned since being here.
What are the challenges you face, while playing the main lead in Welcome to Karachi? What are the challenges? Is the Hindi part?
Challenges for sure. Actually, in Welcome to Karachi, I was speaking Urdu, so another language. But I like challenges. I moved to India for a nice fresh start, for a new challenge in life. Every day I'm learning new things about the culture, new food, new dressing, new dance styles, new languages. So for me, that's fun. I like that challenge about it. So I went about it as a challenge, and hopefully the film is great.
Whom do you give the credit to your success, where you are just?
I give a lot of my credit for India to Remo D'Souza. I would not be here in this country had Remo D'Souza not seen me on a dance show in the United States and said, I want this girl. This girl could be a Bollywood heroine. So he took a chance on me, so I will always be grateful for him. But everyone that I've come in contact with, even just my neighbors, even just the friends on the street, everyone has been so supportive of me in this country that anytime I try to go back home, all the Indians, everybody just pulls me back, which is really nice.
Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you,
Lauren, on channel 80, please.
Yeah.